lives. The chapter when we met new friends who made every school day exciting. When we met our teachers who, with their kindness and patience, made them our second mothers. When our world was made bigger with the knowledge and experiences our beloved school gave us. As we start a new journey, let us not forget to look back and thank those who made this day possible. First of all, I would like to give my special thanks to my mama and papi. Thank you for your all-out support and in bringing out the best in me. I love you so much. To our friends who made us laugh and cry, thank you. To our teachers who made our eyes big and say wow with new discoveries, thank you. To our parents for their never-ending sacrifice, thank you. And most of all, to God for the strength to face every challenge of the day. Let us all clap our hands for making it this far and for doing a good job. Congratulations to all of us. Bravo, Baste!
Thank you, Ethan. That was a great job. Indeed, simple dreams can move mountains. Thank you for the reflection